Vision UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. Mission UIP is committed to producing globally competent and various human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Core values: I is for innovativeness, M is for motivation, P is for personalism, is for excellent, T is for transparency and accountability, U is for unity and teamwork, S is for sustainability. Dapat tenia et virtus in fosterum wisdom and value for the future. College goals. The program prepares students to be IT professionals both local and global contexts who are expected to be well-versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research extension and resources generation in the field of information system.